Hi, welcome back. In today's reset, I'm focusing on the floors and folding one load of laundry. Nothing fancy, just a good little refresh. I will get my diffuser going like I always do, and today I picked lemon and wild orange as my scents. My wild orange was getting a little low, so I had to give it a little extra shake to get some out. But let's get started. First things first, I'm going to clear off this table, and I'm getting everything up off the floor so sweeping and mopping is actually easy. I'm just moving a few things onto the rug, getting them off the floor so I can mop in these areas, my lamp and my blanket basket and this plant by the mirror. If you're cleaning with me, don't worry about perfect, just clear the path and keep going. I also needed to pick up some of my rugs, so I just picked them up, shook them off outside to get all the dirt off of them. Then I start my sweeping, and I just needed to spot sweep in certain areas because earlier that day I had already ran my vacuum robot, so it got most all the big areas and a lot of the dirt up. I just had to go around, check certain areas, and get any spots that were missed. Now it's time to fill up my mop bucket. I usually fill it up with hot water. Well, first I rinse it out a little bit, make sure it's cleaned out. Then I fill it up with hot water. I use a little bit of Dawn soap and just a little bit of Pine Sol. And just a little bit goes a long way, and the smell of the Pine Sol is very strong. You only need just a little. I have two separate mop heads. One of them I use for when I'm actually washing the floors with the Pine Sol and Dawn soap. After I go through and mop it, then I will change my water and also change my mop head to a clean mop head for when I go back and rinse the floors with just pure water. I realized I had forgotten to put up my cats and dog. I did not like them walking all over the floor as I was mopping it, so I just called them all over and took them into my bedroom and just letting them hang out in there until I'm done mopping and the floors are dry. I feel like mopping is one of those chores that feels like a lot, but once you're done, it feels so good and your whole house smells so fresh. It's worth it. I try to go with the grain of the floor, like the way that the planks were put down, but there's just sometimes I have to go opposite of it. But I always try to go with the grain of the floor. Finishing up my first pass with washing the floor. I will go back and I will do another pass with just water, but I also need to fold a load of laundry. So I'm going to fold that load of laundry and then I will get back and show you the rest of my mopping, where I go back and just rinse it up with water. Today I have one load of laundry to fold. It's mainly my son's clothes. I feel like my son's laundry multiplies overnight, so I'm staying on top of this today. I feel like laundry is never ending. I'm not doing perfect folds today, just neat enough to get things under control and get this load of laundry done. It's satisfying watching the stacks of laundry get taller as I get through this load of laundry. I try to do socks last so I can just knock them out all at once. If you're folding laundry with me, we can suffer through the sock pile together. I'm not stressed about the odd ones, the ones with no matches. Those will turn up eventually, hopefully. Okay, that's one load done. I'm going to put these away and then we will get back to mopping and I will do the rinsing. I emptied out my dirty water, rinsed out my bucket, and now this I am just filling with just pure clean water to go back over all the floors and do a rinse. I like this mop bucket. I've had it for a while. It's nice how you can take off the mop heads and just throw them in the wash and wash them and dry them. And then the ability to wring it out like this is great also. If you ever feel like your floors look a little dull after mopping, a quick rinse like this can really help. It's an extra step, but it makes such a difference when the floors are dry. And it makes it feel extra clean. See how the water is still cloudy and somewhat dirty? Just going back and doing that rinse still picks up even more dirt. If you needed motivation to mop today, this is it. And I will just take this mop head and the other one and I will just wash them in the washing machine. Last thing I need to do is put everything back the way it was, pull the chairs down, put the lamp back, fix my table up, and then I will call it a day. I am officially done. So here's the final look. The floors are all mopped and they're clean. The house smells super fresh. I love the smell of pine sol. Just a little bit will smell the house up in a good way. I hope this gave you a little motivation and a calmer space. Alright, that's it for today's reset. The floors are fresh, the laundry's folded, and the house already feels so much better. Thank you for spending a little time with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.